Hello everyone, I'm Cree. Welcome back to my channel. As part of our Halloween series, today I bring you these delicious cheese-filled jalapeno mommy poppers. They are so good. I am serious, they are to die for. Let's get started. We will need 8 to 10 jalapenos, or they could be substituted with another pepper that has the same shape. Using gloves, cut the jalapenos in half, starting with the stem. Divide it in half lengthwise. Careful now, so it doesn't break. The idea is to keep both halves intact. To remove the seeds and veins without breaking the jalapeno skins, start by making a little cut at the tip of the pepper, and then using a spoon, gently scrape the seeds and veins from the skin until they're all out. For this step, take your time, don't rush it. This kind of pepper is a bit delicate and it can break easily, so calmly, patiently, without rushing. Repeat the same process to clean the rest of the jalapenos. Remember not to touch anything else, especially your face or your eyes. It hurts so bad, don't ask me how I know. To finish removing all the seeds, rinse the jalapenos under cold water. For the filling, we will need 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, and half a cup of bacon. With a spoon, mix well until all ingredients are completely combined. This is the reason the cream cheese needs to be at room temperature, otherwise it will not mix well and it will be all crumbly. Once the jalapenos have dried, add the filling. Use about 2 tablespoons of filling per jalapeno. Don't add more than this, as they might overflow when we put them in the oven. Since the jalapenos have been rinsed and no longer have any seeds, we are okay to touch them with our bare hands to make this step a little bit easier. If you're liking this video so far, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. To simulate mommy bandages, I will use this Pillsbury crescents dough. It comes pretty much ready to roll out. I'm going to start molding the dough with my hands to make it flatter. Then I will start rolling it out with a rolling pin. A heavy one is preferred. Try to keep a rectangular shape when rolling so we don't waste any dough at the end. Remember to sprinkle flour on both sides of the dough so it doesn't stick to our surface. And keep rolling until the dough is smooth, even, and it has a rectangular shape. Using a pizza cutter, cut thin strips of the dough approximately 1/4 of an inch each. Try to cut as straight as possible so we don't waste any dough. To make the mummies, wrap the dough strips around each jalapeno. Don't follow a specific pattern, wrap it in all directions, only leaving a space for the eyes. The rest of the filling needs to be covered with the dough. Now we will need candy eyes. We will press them into place in the uncovered spot we left. Once complete, transfer it to a cookie sheet and continue wrapping the rest of the jalapenos. As you can tell, not a single mummy looks the same. Depending on how you place the eyes, you can give them different expressions. Go crazy, it's so fun! To get a golden brown finish, brush a little beaten egg yolk onto each jalapeno. This will give them a precious look. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough has a slightly golden brown color, and let them cool for a couple minutes before serving. And they are ready. They look precious and the smell is amazing. You will love them.
Delicioso.
That was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with all your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!